With Spider Excavator on the job, every construction site becomes a web of amazing possibilities.
Wow.
Hulk as an excavator, now he's smashing through construction sites with his green machine power. Iron Man's new suit, Excavatron, saving the world, one dig at a time, with style and power. Loki's new gig as an excavator driver, digging up trouble and causing a Marvel ooze mess. Captain Excavator, defender of construction sites and champion of superhero earthmoving. Avengers assemble with hard hats. Batman's new tool in town, the Bat Excavator. Now he's unearthing the truth beneath Gotham's surface. Black Widow's new tool, the Excavator Widow. She's unearthing mysteries, one scoop at a time. Black Panther's new gig, clawing through construction sites. Wakanda's infrastructure has a fierce guardian. In the multiverse of construction, Doctor Strange wields his mighty excavator, bending time and earth to his will.
Wow.
Gamora with an excavator? She's digging her way to the Soul Stone one scoop at a time. Move over, Gamora. Nebula's the galaxy's newest excavator expert, turning planets into playgrounds. Nick Fury in heavy equipment? He's excavating Hydra secrets with style, no need for subtlety. Quicksilver's motto on the job site, dig deep, move fast, the ultimate excavation speedster. Scarlet Witch's excavator, making digging for treasure or battling FOs a magically dramatic experience. Thor as an excavator? Now he's digging up trouble on Midgard with a thunderous twist. Superman, when he's not flying, he's digging. Is there anything he can't do with those super arms?
Wow.
Star-Lord's new gig, galaxy saving by day, excavating the cosmos for treasure by night.
What's up is down, what's left is right.
Captain Marvel in construction mode, her excavator can clear debris faster than you can say Avengers assemble.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Aquaman's new gig, excavating Atlantis with style. He's diving deep into construction, trident excavator in hand. Wonder Excavator, using her lasso to hoist steel beams and her shield to protect the job site. Ghost Rider on an excavator? He's digging up justice with a fiery passion, one scoop at a time.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high.
Sersi as an excavator, she's unearthing secrets and ancient relics with a celestial twist.
Fly forever if you keep it tight.
Venom's new gig, digging up trouble with those excavator jaws. Construction site chaos meets symbiote style. When Groot becomes an excavator, every root he digs up has its own story to tell. Thanos as an excavator? He's ready to snap away half the construction time in an instant. Deadpool in an excavator suit because sometimes you need to dig deep for those chimichangas. Valkyrie as an excavator? She's lifting souls from the ground to the afterlife with hydraulic precision. The Flash's new gig, excavator extraordinaire. He's got the fastest shovel in the superhero business. Rocket Raccoon's latest invention, the Trashinator excavator. He's cleaning up the galaxy, one scoop at a time. When War Machine becomes an excavator, every job site becomes a battleground for heavy machinery supremacy. Watch out, world! Ant-Man's upgraded to an excavator suit. He's small, but he's got big digging plans. Hawkeye swapped his arrows for an excavator arm, a whole new way to dig deep.
Can't see the end, but we'll see it.